Top 5 Most Common Mutations in Humans. There is basically no living organism that does not have DNA in its body. This DNA comes with different pieces of information and they are called genes. The genes are transferred down from parents to children. Your gene determines everything in your body, from the color of your eyes down to the sole of your foot. The chromosome within a cell contains both protein and DNA. There are over 23 pairs of chromosomes. Mutations are basically caused by 3 facts: an error in replication when cells divide, exposure to chemicals such as radiation, and viral infections. Here are the top 5 common mutations in humans. Number 1. Down syndrome. Over 6,000 babies are born yearly in the United States with Down syndrome. Babies are usually born with 46 chromosomes, 23 from the mother and the same 23 from the father. A baby with Down syndrome has an extra copy of chromosome 21. That affects how the baby's body and brain develop. People with Down syndrome usually have the same behavioral patterns and share some physical characteristics. The leading causes of death are respiratory illness or congenital heart problems, though why they seem to be more prone to these ailments is not entirely clear. Number 2. Sickle cell anemia. It is estimated that over 100,000 Americans suffer from sickle cell anemia. To date, the only cure for sickle cell anemia is bone marrow or stem cell transplants. When people suffer from sickle cell anemia, the blood cells are sickle-shaped and die within 20 days. Because of their shape, affected cells become sticky and rigid and block blood flow. Because of these, the transportation of oxygen around the body becomes less. The symptoms include anemia, painful swelling of the hands and feet, problem with vision, etc. Treatments such as blood transfusions can relieve pain and prevent some of the complications that may occur. Number 3. Obesity. Studies have shown that over 70 million adults in the United States are obese. This can be linked to the wrong choices people have made concerning their lifestyle. Obesity is the result of an imbalance caused by people ingesting more calories than they burn. These excesses are transformed into fat. There are over 50 different genes that are associated with obesity. Researchers also determined that inherited factors have a major influence on the environment. Obesity increases the risk of diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and other ailments. Number 4. Diabetes. Diabetes is one of the common mutations in humans. Type 2 diabetes causes the level of glucose in the blood to rise. Tiredness, excessive thirst, and frequent need to urinate are among the symptoms of diabetes. Diabetes can also result from an inherited genetic mutation, and not only when a person is overweight. One of the ways you can reduce your chances of getting diabetes is by living a healthier life. You need to exercise regularly and also eat a healthy diet. Type 2 diabetes can only be managed as there is no cure for it now. If you are living with type 2 diabetes, all you have to do is keep an eye on your condition. Number 5. Hemochromatosis. Hemochromatosis is caused by a mutation in the HFE gene. This results in an inability to get rid of excess iron. Too much iron stored in the body can cause severe organ damage, especially to the liver. Research shows that men are more likely to suffer from hemochromatosis than women. The treatment for hemochromatosis includes avoiding food with iron and removing blood from the body. Hemochromatosis requires constant monitoring, as patients often show no symptoms. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Love you all.